Hello from Farland. I'm thinking about putting no sound over here, but just some flashing lights. What do you think? Other things going on. Squeeze through there. I have some new signals. And these correspond, they're back to back. I have a sensor right here. This one corresponds to another one, which is right here. These are on the freight line. So let's go back over here for just a second. And I'll show you what I did. I pondered this for quite a while and finally just came to the conclusion that if I would just hook them all in to this one controller and one set of signals, I could make the whole thing work. And that's what this is all about. It expands the terminals here because some of them have a lot of wires going into them. These are bigger and more robust than these little guys here, so they allow me to stuff a lot more wires in there. And besides, there's a multitude of terminals and I can jumper them and double it up. Another thing, I worried and wondered over here what else I was going to do. I think I'm going to put a buoy and have this tethered to it, just riding. I got this ship done, as you know, and I thought I might like to build a bigger one, a second ship. So I had moved this down here. I'm going to put water in here once I get everything figured out. But I decided, I was watching some, I don't know what I was watching, but I was watching some old YouTube videos and it showed barges with containers on them. You know, small barge, couple, 3, 4 containers on it. And I just thought that was an interesting scene. So I've decided I'm going to build a little barge model. I'm going to have it tied up here, and I've ordered a crane, a barge, I mean not a barge crane, but a container crane, and I can back a container wagon down in there, and I can be taking the containers off. Anyway, that will finish up, finally, that will finish up my harbor area.